he will always has enough faith for the miracle. Jesus always has enough faith for the miracle to answer what you're praying for. Whatsoever things you pray, according to my will, you shall what? See them, receive them. 1 John says. Healings and words of knowledge are common signs that we can expect when you're sharing the gospel and representing Jesus to all we come in contact with. Healings, God confirming his words with what? Signs and wonders, which are those healings. Oftentimes, healings are following the proclamation of the gospel. I'm going to show you that in the scriptures. And words of knowledge are not uncommon. When you're talking to people you don't know, strangers, sometimes God will do that. So, there is no faith without love. There's no faith without love. Without the personal knowing of Christ's love, there is no faith, because God is what? Real faith flourishes when we discover God's unconditional love. Real faith flourishes, ignites in us and through us when we understand God's unconditional love.